Meet Wendy the vet. She used to be overworked and underpaid, but nowadays she loves running her clinic. Her secret? She works smarter, not harder. Like many businesses, at the outset, she used to manage her business using Excel documents, but not anymore. The first step? Xero. Xero is cloud-based accounting software and straight out of the box streamlines things like accounts payable and receivable, payroll, and reconciling bank statements. Step 2. HubDoc. Wendy photographs or emails her supplier invoices to HubDoc that then extracts the details for the bookkeeper to check and publish to Xero. Step 3. Deputy. Simplifying rostering and timesheets, Deputy gives Wendy control of the roster and sends timesheet data to the bookkeeper to process the weekly payroll. For Wendy, these 3 steps save her stacks of time and allow her to operate a business with ease. It's a game changer. If you would like to discuss how we can help you simplify your accounts, please give us a ring today.